Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a fun video. I received fennel in one of my Misfits Market boxes and I have never cooked with fennel. I had no idea what to do with it, and someone suggested the recipe of the perfect engagement chicken. Now the story behind this chicken is, it is believed that this is the chicken that Meghan Markle made the night that Prince Harry proposed to her. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to the article that talks about Meghan Markle making this chicken and to the recipe that I used. All of that will be in the description below. And then check it out. Check out me making my first ever whole roasted chicken. And spoiler alert, it was delicious. First of all, I prepped all of the ingredients. The onions, carrots, garlic, thyme, lemon, fennel, and some melted butter. I'm stuffing the inside of this chicken with thyme and garlic and lemon and salt and pepper. This is my first experience ever with a whole chicken, so we'll see how it goes. Butter and salt and pepper will go on the outside of the chicken. I have tossed together the carrots, onions, fennel, and thyme with salt, pepper, and olive oil. I tied the chicken's legs together, put the wings underneath the chicken, and put it on top of the vegetables, and I'm going to roast it for an hour and a half. I just took the chicken out of the oven. It's been cooking for an hour and a half and it looks amazing. It looks beautiful, so I'm gonna cut into it and make sure the juices run clear. And we're gonna try out this perfect engagement chicken. The chicken was cooked through, so I covered it in aluminum foil and I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes so the juices can soak through. Here is the finished chicken. We're about to carve it, but it looks beautiful and golden. Here is the finished chicken and vegetables, and I poured the extra sauce from the pan on top. It looks amazing. I cannot wait to try it.